The basic finish. Today we're going to show you how to create the basic finish with Jolie Paint. The basic finish allows you to paint freely while creating subtle and soft texture with your brush stroke. Before opening your can of Jolie Paint, shake it vigorously for at least 30 seconds. Open the lid and stir the paint well, reaching all the way to the bottom of the can. Make sure your Jolie Paint has a smooth consistency before starting. Using your Jolie Signature Brush, paint the first coat in every direction, leaving subtle brush marks and slight texture. Allow the paint to dry completely. This usually takes about 20 minutes. If needed, apply a second coat, painting in every direction and allowing it to dry completely. Now it's time to wax. Using your wax brush, apply a small amount of clear finishing wax to your piece in small sections at a time, wiping off the excess with a clean cloth as you go. Use a gentle sweeping motion to work the wax into the paint. Work in every direction, just as you did with your paint. You'll notice the wax will slightly deepen the underlying paint color. For larger surfaces, we recommend applying another very thin coat of clear wax from end to end and wiping back the entire surface in one sweeping motion to even out the finish. That's it! You've completed a successful transformation with the basic finish. Be gentle with your piece for a couple of weeks until the wax is fully cured and hardened. For more techniques, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website www.joliehome.com. It's your life. Make it beautiful.